You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing expressions from Latin, and more vocabulary that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Exempli Gratia. Exempli Gratia, meaning for the sake of example. Exempli Gratia. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and interesting meanings of more expressions that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.